Cloud DevOps Engineer. Are you an experienced Cloud DevOps engineer seeking an exciting opportunity? People Prime Worldwide, India's largest IT staffing company, has the perfect role for you. Key skills: AWS, Python, Angular, Azure. Experience required: 5 years of experience as an IT infrastructure architect with a focus on AWS and Azure cloud server storage and networking. In-depth knowledge of Kubernetes K8s administration, DevOps Linux administration, networking, OpenStack, VMware, cloud computing databases and CI/CD. Experience in cloud migration and architecture with AWS and Azure. Knowledge of tools like Helm, Elasticsearch, Prometheus, and more. Exposure to AI, milliliter concepts, Kubernetes, and enterprise application solutions. Job location: Hyderabad. Work experience: 5 to 8 years. Education qualification: any graduation. Employment type: full-time. Work mode: hybrid. CTC: 15 lakh Indian rupees to 21 lakhs yearly. Notice period: 0 to 30 days. These positions are for our esteemed clients of People Prime Worldwide. Check out the description for more details and apply now. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest IT job opportunities with People Prime Jobs.